Good morning. This is Larry McMillan with the stock market update on Tuesday, September 6th. I hope you had a great Labor Day weekend. The market's still under pressure, and we don't really have any buy signals coming in yet. Thought we were close on a couple, and actually we are close on a couple, but the selling has been pretty heavy all last week and into the weekend, or just leading up to the weekend. There was a pretty strong amount of selling. And so the S&P chart still remains in a bearish mode, and therefore we are maintaining our core bearish position. There should be a little support around 3,900, which was the lows of a couple of days last week. If that fails, there's also support at 3,800, and then, of course, the June lows at 36, I think 37 or something like that. But in any case, the trend is still down, and we don't really have any intermediate term buy signals. Let me go over the other indicators. First of all, the McMillan volatility band sell signal that was in place has now completed its target on the downside, and we've taken profits on that and are standing aside. A new McMillan volatility band buy signal could possibly set up, but it's going to take a little work for that to happen. The equity-only put-call ratios remain on sell signals. They're now moving higher steadily, and as long as that's the case, that's bearish for stocks. Breadth has been really terrible, and the breadth oscillators are in extremely oversold territory, but again, as you know, oversold does not mean buy. So we're waiting for these oscillators to turn bullish. That's going to take probably at least 2 days of positive breadth, maybe even 3. New highs versus new lows remains as a negative indicator. The new highs on the New York Stock Exchange have numbered in the teens only for the last few days, and really haven't exceeded new lows for a long time. So that remains to VIX to give us probably our first buy signals. And the highest that VIX reached last week was 2769. And so if it closes 3 points below that, that would be a short-term buy signal. Also, if VIX closes below its 200-day moving average, that would be another buy signal. So those are probably the two most likely candidates to give us some short-term buy signals in the near future. The construct of volatility derivatives remains bullish, as well as the VIX term structure continues to slope upwards. So we are maintaining that core bearish position, but we will trade other signals around that, but only when they're confirmed. So oversold conditions do not count. We actually have to have confirmed buy signals. So I invite you to visit our website, take a look at our newsletters where you can keep up to these things on a more short-term basis. Meanwhile, good luck and have a great shortened trading week.